All right, so we got our first DIY project. All right, so they stacked 3 of those together, or tied them together, spray painted it black. Oh, wow, that is so cute for the coffee mugs. They got their little coffee pods over there too, and you can decorate for the holiday. That is so cute. Oh, she added tile. And it's also a storage place. Very nice. I love it when projects serve 2 different purposes. You can decorate with them and store your stuff. So she did lavender for the second box. I really like that lavender color. Oh, she turned it into a chessboard. That's pretty nifty. Then we got an IKEA desk here. I use this for my makeup. So it looks like she's going to be decorating that desk with some tile. I like how the tile she's using is big and they're like all different colors. Like this is really pretty. Wow, she did a great job. I like how she left the rest of the part white too. Your aesthetics will be ruined when you get a baby gate. The baby gate should be at the bottom of the stairs. Well, you can do it both ways, but always have it at the bottom too. It's like another furniture flip here. Wow. I don't know how people manage to flip those furniture pieces, man. Okay, is this person making a flower wall? Oh, they're decorating it behind their mirror. Yeah, this looks like she put a lot of work into this. So there's the before, there's the after. Kind of looks like she needed to put some more like on the sides maybe, because it looks like it's not finished. Maybe that was just part 1. Okay, someone making a pedestal bowl. Simple, simple. If you wanted to, you could just leave that white. Oh, adding some window film. We have these. We added those to our windows. The house we bought versus the home we created. Yes, I love this trend. That's why when you buy a home, you gotta have the vision, man. You gotta have the vision of what you wanna do with the space. Wow, this person did a great job. Then we have someone doing their stairway. Oh, I guess they're doing the banisters. Oh, they're just painting them white. I want to do this to ours. Oh, and they did the perimeter black. This is exactly what I want to do to ours. Because right now we have that same old school, old color. Now they need to do the stairs, the actual stairs too. That's the thing about it. You paint one part, you gotta paint the other. Oh, that's pretty. The floral mirror trend. That's gorgeous. Alright, so for some reason I put this clip in there twice, but I still love this DIY. I think it's genius that she used large pieces instead of the smaller ones. Okay, so we have a mirror DIY here. Looks like she might have added construction paper to that. And now some, oh, she must be doing the wavy mirror trend. That's pretty cool. I've never seen it done on a mirror that was like sideways before. But she's using construction paper. She should have spray painted this, I think. But she's adding foam to it. Okay, I am so confused with this one. Maybe she's gonna add another fabric on top of this? Seems like a lot of work. Okay, so she's definitely adding some fabric here. Looks like black, satiny type of fabric. Yeah, I don't like this. I think maybe if she would have spray painted this matte black, that would have looked good. This is like giving garbage bag vibes. Not feeling that one. Okay, so we have someone with a cracked mirror. They're adding glue and glitter. Okay, I gotta see how this turns out. I have never seen anything like this before. Glitter to the cracks. She used a makeup brush to clean it up. We didn't get a full look at it. This floral mirror is cute though. But I say if you're gonna buy all these clays, you might as well just buy the mirror that's already like this, depending on how much it is. But you know, sometimes you just want a fun little project to do. I mean, it's probably fun to make this. It is cute. I'm just lazy. I'm like, I'd rather just buy it. This is cute though. I like how she used different colors and did it like her own thing instead of like putting it all the way around. Okay, we got someone doing something to the walls here. Looks like she might be doing like a statement wall or something. Oh, that is gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and you can check out this video if you want to see even more DIY project ideas and reactions.